In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group images here in Canva. So I have these two images just here, so let's go ahead and group these together. Now to do this is really easy. What we want to do is left click on the mouse, hold down, drag and select. So let's do that one more time. We're going to click on the mouse, hold down, drag and select. Now these two have been grouped together. But from here, what we then want to do, once we've selected both of the images, just like this, we want to click onto this little group section. Now, if we click on there, these two images have now been grouped together and it's practically one image. So if we click onto this right one and drag and move around, we can see that these two images have been grouped together. Then to unlock them is really simple as well, or ungroup. We simply click onto the image, click on ungroup, and there we go. We now have two separate images again. So that's just how simple it is to group images here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.